Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cook raw meat in 7 Days to Die. This is going to be especially useful if you want to use the meat to feed yourself without the need to risk some dysentery sicknesses coming to you. And to begin, first of all, we'll need to have a campfire, which can be crafted from 5 small stones that you can find on the ground, just laying, or by using a stone axe and mining a bigger stone. Now, once you have the campfire, you'll also need some kind of a fuel, for example, wood. And once you do, just have the meat inside of your inventory. And on the left side here, you can choose the food section. And as you can see, the first thing maybe you'll be able to craft is charred meat, which is better than raw meat, but it is going to give you some decreased water. And to get many other meats, like the grilled meat, you'll need to have the cooking grill, which can be found inside of some kitchens, inside of houses, or can be also crafted inside of the forge from some iron and clay. Nextly, you can also craft some boiled meat, which is going to require you to have a cooking pot and some water. And this is going to be a better option too. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.